Check out this other lineup, you guys. Jeez.
She's about your GoPro.
Yeah.
You're gonna get eight.
That's right. That's right. She can just go like this.
Yeah. Keep going.
Go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah, no worries. Good run, man.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back. It's day 2 of Monterey Carweek. We got the baby right here, the Camaro. We had to park it outside here in the back because there's going to be a cold start this morning and I don't want to wake up any of my neighbors. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get that cold start. Not that cold anymore. It wasn't but 5 hours that we started this thing. But we can control it. Oh, dude, a dress code. That's the brand new Thestradman. Oh, another. That's the new CCX, the old CCX.
Oh my God.
Check this guy's out. Guys, check this out. We got our little Camaro here, parked next to this beautiful Koenigsegg. Jeez. Guys, we did it. We found Thestradman. We're gonna go say what's up to him, see how he reacts to everything. I'm a little nervous. Oh my god, a dress school absolute.
Bro, where's Owen at?
No, he doesn't fuzzy.
Owen! Pleasure. What's up, dude? How's it going?
How's it going?
It's going
Big
good,
fan, bro.
Awesome, man.
The Lotus Elise, man.
Okay, very cool. I've been watching since the Audi.
Right here. Thanks so much.
A lot of pressure.
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
Right there on the carbon?
Yeah, right there. You see his
So if
signature?
you sit in, you'll see my signature.
Yeah, that's it's.
Who has the Sharpie?
It's kind of hard. Sharpie?
Yeah, where was the Sharpie?
Someone have a Sharpie?
Babe, just grab the other one, yeah.
Is the silver one? You have a silver one though? I kind of need silver.
Silver in here?
Is your pockets?
No, you had it last.
No, I handed it back to you.
Yeah? Oh man, I must have lost it.
Carbon? Sick. Let's see here. Hold on. Can I open this? Is that okay?
Yeah.
See it anymore. I think because it's gold, I feel like the gold wouldn't show up very well.
I don't know what I did with it. Just gold is fine.
Yeah, just use gold is fine. Yeah. It's like the carbon. I don't know. You sign to the left of mine. Oh yeah, that looks great.
There we go.
Yeah,
money.
there you go.
Money, money,
I'm not
money.
cleaning that ever.
Yeah,
Okay,
for
thank
sure.
you. Hopefully I don't lose this one.
No, sir.
Thank you
Dude,
so
that car's
much.
sick. I love it.
Thank you so much. It means a lot.
Yeah, no, of course.
Again, watching you grow, and with him, I was just telling him right now that I remember the good old days where you guys were in the parking garage wrapping
Yes, those were the good old
Gallardo
days.
gold,
That's what I said.
not
Yeah,
gold,
those
purple.
I miss those days so much. That was such a good time.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, no, of course, of course. Someone have a Sharpie?
I have a different one.
There's the
A
silver
gold?
one.
You have a silver one though? I kind of need
Where's the silver? What'd you do with it? Is it in your pockets?
You had it last.
Is it in your pockets?
No, I handed it back to you.
Yeah? Oh,
Yeah.
man, I must
All the carbon are sick.
Let's see in here. Hold on,
Want to
hold on.
just use?
Can I open this? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Probably a mess. I'm sorry.
I think because it's gold, I feel like the gold would show up.
You want to just use a different one?
Yeah, just use the gold.
Fine.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, sign to the left of mine. Chip in there, yeah. Oh yeah, that looks great.
Yeah.
Yeah, that pops better than mine. Yeah.
One more time. Bye.